I'm California criminal defense attorney Michael Becker. MVARS is short for Mobile Video Audio Recording System, which is just another name for the dashboard-mounted cameras that some police cars are equipped with. Obtaining MVARS in a criminal case is very important because the footage often shows incidences of police misconduct that defendants can use to get their charges reduced or dismissed. 5 examples of police misconduct that dashcams commonly capture are: 1. The police performing a traffic stop without reasonable suspicion that a crime occurred or without the suspect having committed any type of traffic violation. 2. The police giving incorrect instructions for field sobriety tests in DUI cases. 3. The police performing an unlawful search of a vehicle. 4. The police using excessive force on the suspect. And 5. The police failing to give Miranda warnings before interrogating an arrestee. Plus, if the officers lie in their police report or on the witness stand, we may be able to use the MVARS footage to contradict their testimony. Not all California police vehicles are equipped with MVARS, but if the vehicle involved in your case did have a dash cam, you have the legal right to view that footage and use it as evidence in your defense. If you've been arrested in California, call the attorneys of Schaus Law Group at 855-999-7755. We'll fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.